We made it to the animal kingdom. Woo! That was my song at the beginning of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. We're here a little bit late because someone
slept in an hour.
Slept in until like 10:30. So
it's an hour and a half more than I have all week.
Yeah, we're not planning on that. So we're headed straight for our first fast pass, which is
Expedition Everest.
Expedition Everest. All right. So much copywritten music everywhere. Oh, there it is. There's the tree. God, it's enormous. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, Pop. I love it. Holy crap. That is cool looking. 600 plus pounds.
It's so pretty, it's so pretty. Oh, it's dead.
They do sleep.
She's sleepy.
Well, as we sail out here on Harambe, one day, let's go. My name's Jen, gonna be your game driver. And the way we say hello out here in Africa is John Bo. So John Bo, everybody.
Hello.
All right. The clever heads there. Gonna see a game spotting guide. It's gonna help identify any animals you may see out there on the reserve. Tell you a little bit about Harambe Wildlife Reserve. It was established in 1971 to help protect local wildlife. And this is a photo safari, so yeah, take all the pictures you want while we're out here.
I got it. You, oh, they're gorgeous. Yes, you are so pretty.
Bigger than him, but a lion totally will. And with lions, it's called a pride, made up of females, ruled by a couple of males. With cheese pounds.
On the rock.
His eyesight's 6.5 times greater than man's eye. And yeah, he'll take a pretty long cat nap for like 18, maybe 20 hours a day. Hey, Pop Quiz, what's bigger, a lion or a tiger?
Lion, tiger.
Tiger, yeah, tiger outweighs the lion. You gotta go over to Asia to see tigers, though.
We tried, it was all passed out.
Alright. We're leaving the kingdom. And we're heading to the hotel.
Yep.
We have reservations. We just said hi to my friend Lisa that I went to college with. I have no idea if she watches my videos or not, but if you watch my videos, hi Lisa. I didn't want to film her because she was working. So if you ever see Lisa at Guest Relations at the Animal Kingdom, say hi. What? He's so weird. Okay. That's what I got. Top rated on TripAdvisor.
For Orlando and top rated for TripAdvisor under Disney World.
So we're going to Gico.
The cooking place.
And the what?
The cooking place. Gico, the cooking place. That's what it's called.
Okay. I finally did my hair for once. It's getting really blonde. So, a little cloudy today.
But it's nice.
Yeah, but it's nice. Ooh, focus. So, hopefully, there'll be some good chow. My hair looks really fluffy. I don't know about this. Automatic doors. All right. Going to dinner. Let's go. You guys, okay. There's hand towels in the bathroom. Oh my God. Kind of hard to see. Oh, why did I do that? So that's the restaurant we just ate at. And they have this like little stream thing happening here. So pretty. Where's my dog? Oh, there's my dog. Hi, dog.
Hello.
It's so pretty. Our waiter was so nice. He gave us a free dessert because it was our anniversary. So sweet. This is the inside of the hotel that we went to dinner at. Really neat. Those light fixtures are awesome.